Hello everyone, just inside Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd share with you some of the nail stuff and finds that are here. So they have this new nail cuticle oil made by Be Pure, and they have other goodies too by them. I'm not sure if your Dollar Tree carries them, but it would be interesting to hear some reviews. I love these little packages because they're perfect for paper crafting. They're really pretty, unique glitters compared to some of the craft glitter that you'll find. I believe that Walmart carries this line of shaving cream, the Pure Silk, so just keep an eye because you might see it on your Dollar Tree shelves. They also have gum dental floss here, and this is normally stocked at Dollar Tree. They also have the Colgate and the gum toothbrushes, so be mindful that some are soft bristle brush and then some are hard, so just take a look along the top here. Are these brand name socks? I keep finding brand name socks, but I'm not familiar with this specific brand. Quick peek through the kitchen utensils, just like to make sure I'm not missing something that might be new. Has anyone spotted the rings, not the lid like this, but the one that goes on the outer part? They used to carry them and I haven't seen them in forever, but now it's kind of like not really canning season, but hopefully they start to stock things. I used to have such a good set of these, and then I threw them out thinking they were a bit dangerous when the kids were younger, that they would stab themselves, and I'm thinking I probably should purchase a set. So I'm standing here and these smell so nice. One of them does, at least. Has just such a beautiful throw. I don't know which one it is. Do they last long though when they're at home in your linen closet, or how do these hold up? Are they a good coat hanger? Have you seen the cute DIYs done with these laundry baskets? People wrap them in twine and then they use them as little throw blanket baskets as decor, or even for a plant. It would be super cute too. I always love Pepperidge treats, so I think I'm going to buy these because they look like they'd go nicely with a cup of tea. And I'm just going to walk down this aisle here and see if there's any new snacks. Popcorn's pretty well stocked. My daughter likes white popcorn, the regular. There's another brand, so we'll try this one and see if it compares. I really like the San Pellegrino Momenti, and I'm wondering if this one is similar. If anyone's tried these, I'd love some feedback on it. They also have bottled water, the Esca. I just think it would be pricier to purchase these individually versus a box, or a case, I should say, at the grocery store. Lots of new organization. I love how they have this all set up nicely. These clear drawers are really great organization, but a little tip, actually keep them flipped. It's already flipped over because the weight like this will allow the drawer to pull out a lot easier than if it's actually the way it's designed. So just, flip it over and then glue them together. These are great too because they have little stoppers on the bottom that prevent it from slipping inside a drawer. These are handy because they clip into one another, so you can build your own customized system. This end cap is always decorated so nicely for different things. Right now there's the big felt rolls. It's a thinner felt, it's not the thick stuff. And then this end cap has lots of wood, so if you're doing DIYs, lots of options here. I think this is Home Sweet Home. Yep, Home Sweet Home. Does anyone have a shepherd's pie seasoning recipe? That's one thing I actually should check Google for, because I buy these little packages once in a while, but I bet you I have the seasoning at home that I can just mix together and make my own. Lots of canned goods here today. Everything is really nicely stocked. Miso. Oh, but it's expired. So it looks like the Mr. Noodle bowls are going to be a staple at Dollar Tree, along with the packages and maybe even the cups. This is kind of new because I used to just have the packaged before. I actually like these lasagna shells. They've worked really nicely when I've made lasagna at home. My son loves these crackers, Rice Crisps. Has anyone tried these? They're supposed to be really good with the cup of coffee or tea, right? What other treats are here? Oh, they're starting to put out their spring summer stuff. These are new this, I feel like they are, with little sparkles and glitter. They have a whole bunch of shirts here as well, really well stocked. I actually think these are kind of cute, cozy for around the house. They have like a cut effect. Hard to share these because they're high up, but they're t-shirts in different colors. And there's also long sleeve as well. 3/4 sleeve. Oh, this is just a dark version. Axe deodorant, but only one scent. Oh, these are Dollar Tree product. Lots of scrubbers. There's like little sleep masks and scrub brushes all here as well. And then they have like the mini toiletry version of things if you're traveling. These are being used on wreaths, and I think it looks so nice. They use it as a base layer. I was just wrapping old rags, but that works too. Cute little hearts. I just don't know how secure those would be. How stable are the phone stands? Do they hold your phone or do they topple over? These are actually corded. They look like they're good quality. I've just never used, I don't think I've ever used off-brand charging cables. Lots of AirPod holders. They look like they're made of silicone. They have these little no-touch keys. LED night light. Whoa, what is this one? This would be cute. You can customize it with little vinyl. Very pretty jar for a wedding or baby shower with just like one simple flower. Delicate centerpiece. They keep coming with some new marbles and stones, I've noticed. Just marbles again. And lots of sand. Clear vases. There's two sizes here. So this one Looks like a little fishbowl. I'm always so careful with them because I'm afraid they're going to fall over. So this one's larger than the one on the eye level shelf. These are not glass, they're plastic. But this one is glass. Has anyone spotted a heart wreath form this year? Usually for Valentine's they come out, but I checked the area and I didn't see them over there, so I thought that they might be hanging over here. The green filler stuff is like a moss. I like the two colors. This one's really pretty. These gnomes sell so fast. There are people who just take them all off the shelf. So if you see one and you like one, definitely grab it because they'll be long gone. Same with these jars, unfortunately. As soon as you see them, if you like one, buy it because they get bought out as well. The setup of these calendars are really nice, and maybe you can even hang it on the inside of a door, or cabinet door I should say, but it has the sticky notes. You can write your grocery list and just take it with you. These here have the ring binder punches, so they just fit in the binder perfectly. Great for organizing. They still have some of these left from Christmas. They're the peppermint Hershey Kisses. I think that's, yeah, Hershey's. I love these little pens. My daughter bought one and it works so beautifully. It's really smooth. These are cute erasable pens. Have you spotted the St. Patrick's Day decor? They have the cute welcome and lucky sign. Here are a few items I used to make Dollar Tree DIYs. I also painted some of their little pieces. Just hopefully this inspires you to be able to transform some of the things that you see at Dollar Tree into your own home decor. Until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
You ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know